Have you ever imagined that the songs you listen to every day, while walking, studying, or relaxing, could actually pay you real money? Sounds impossible, right? But somewhere on the internet, a hidden system exists. A platform where every beat, every lyric, every second you spend listening to music can fill your wallet. The question is, who created this system, and why is it still hidden from most people? Today I'm going to reveal that secret, but only if you're ready to listen carefully till the very end. Because the truth is, most people scroll away when opportunity knocks quietly. They ignore what could change their life forever. Don't make that mistake, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how people across the world are turning their passion for music into passive income, without recording a single note and without investment. So if you think this is just another YouTube video, stop right here. Because what I'm about to show you could be the turning point you didn't know you were waiting for. The platform I'm talking about isn't Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. It's something far smaller, more secretive. A site that pays you for what big companies ignore: your attention. It's called Current Rewards, also known as Mode-Earn app. This isn't just an app. It's a digital goldmine for those who know how to use it right. When you sign up, you're not asked for your credit card or bank details. All it asks is, do you love music? Because this app runs a simple system. Advertisers pay them, they share a part of that money with you, the listener. The more you listen, the more you earn. It sounds too easy, and that's what makes it so fascinating. But here's the real twist. Most people fail on this app because they don't know the hidden rules. Stay with me. I'll not only show you how to sign up, but also how to turn this small opportunity into a real income stream that grows daily. To begin, go to the Play Store or App Store and type Mode-Earn app or Current Rewards. Once you download it, you'll see a glowing sign-up screen. Don't rush. Enter your name, email, and set a strong password. Then when it asks for a referral code, that's your key to faster earnings. Use any working referral code from online forums to get bonus points instantly. Once you're inside, you'll notice a dashboard full of categories. Pop, jazz, lo-fi, chill, motivation. Every song you play earns you points. But here's the secret most people ignore: consistency. The app calculates your listening hours. The longer you stay tuned in, the faster you unlock rewards like gift cards, PayPal cash, or even cryptocurrency. But what's really emotional is this. For many people, this app isn't just entertainment. It's hope. Students paying fees, moms supporting families, dreamers earning in silence, all through the sound of music. You see, every time you hit play, the app earns money from advertisers who sponsor that song or station. In return, it shares a portion of that income with you. It's a modern barter system, your time for their money. But it's not only about listening. You can also earn by completing simple tasks, playing mini-games, and watching short ads, all inside the same app. The real science is in how long you stay active. The app uses an algorithm that tracks engagement. Those who skip songs or leave early earn less. Those who listen fully earn more. It rewards patience and passion. Isn't it poetic? The world finally pays you for staying consistent with what you love. And the best part? You can connect your Bluetooth speaker, let the songs play while you work, study, or sleep, and the money keeps adding up silently. That's not a dream, that's a digital strategy. Think about it. Every song carries emotion, and now, every emotion can carry income. When you listen to songs that inspire you, you're not only feeding your soul, but also strengthening your wallet. That's why people from over 100 countries use this app daily. For some, it's background noise. For others, it's the sound of change. Imagine this. A young student in Pakistan listens to his favorite tracks during exam prep. At the end of the month, he cashes out enough for his internet bill. A mother in India plays songs while cooking. and earns enough for her child's stationery. These are not fantasies. These are stories written by music itself, and maybe, just maybe, yours could be next. Now let's get real. If you want to earn more, you must outsmart the average listener. Here's how. 1. Keep the app running in the background while doing other work. Complete at least 2 daily check-in tasks to get bonus coins. Connect your PayPal early and verify your email. It boosts credibility. Never skip songs too quickly. Let them play at least 30 seconds. And most importantly, refer friends. Every referral can give you extra points that multiply over time. These are the small habits that turn listeners into earners. Most people quit because they think it's slow. But those who stay consistent for 30 days often see their wallets grow faster than they imagined. Remember, consistency turns pennies into paydays, and then comes the moment everyone waits for, your first payout. That notification saying your reward has been processed, it hits different. It's not about the money. It's about realization. The realization that the internet is full of secrets that reward those who believe before they doubt. Your first $10 may not sound big, but it's proof. Proof that you can create income without experience, office, or boss. That's where confidence begins. And trust me, once you see that PayPal balance rise, there's no going back. You'll never hear music the same way again. Because now, every beat means business. But here's something most YouTubers won't tell you. Never depend on just one app. Use multiple earning sources. Modern app is great for starting, but it works best when you combine it with other platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Cash Karma. Diversify. That's how you survive in the online world. And one more thing, patience is your biggest investment. Don't expect overnight success. If you treat it like a game, you'll earn like a gamer. But if you treat it like a job, you'll earn like a professional. Every legend of online income started small. This is your start. Behind every success story is someone who refused to quit. You might be watching this video from a small room, maybe tired, maybe struggling, but you're still searching for hope. That means you haven't given up, and that's powerful. This method may not make you rich overnight, but it can teach you something deeper. Consistency creates destiny. Every time you hit play, you're choosing to believe in yourself, in your dreams, in the possibility that the internet can be your partner, not your enemy. Don't just listen to music. Listen to your potential whispering. This is your chance. So, my friend, if this story touched you, if you felt even for a second that this could be your start, then don't scroll away silently. Subscribe to this channel right now, because here I'll reveal real earning secrets, step-by-step methods that no one talks about publicly. Maybe today it's about listening to songs, but tomorrow it could be watching videos, testing games, or writing stories. All ways to earn from your phone. Every video here is a chance to rewrite your future. So before you leave, hit subscribe, comment, I'm ready to earn. And let the world know. You're not just a dreamer anymore. You're a doer. Remember, every beat you listen to might just be your heartbeat toward success.